So we're doing day in the life, work from home mom. You're gonna tag along with me today while I get stuff done. This morning, I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, but I also have to leave at 9 o'clock because there was a recall on my car and I need to get an oil change. So I have to go take my car to the dealership, and then my best friend is going to pick me up from there and bring me home because I'm suspecting it's going to be an all-day thing. So with that being said, let's just chill for a few minutes until it's time to go. I'm going to go check some emails really quick and then start packing up so I can work a little bit at the dealership until I wait for her to come grab me. I have a short break in between now and my next meeting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the dishes done. I should have done them last night. I didn't, so here we are. We're gonna do them tonight. I mean, right now. my next meeting. I'm gonna make some food and eat some lunch. So for lunch, I'm having leftover, it's leftover dirty rice with sausage, and it's so good. If you've never tried it, check it out. It's on the Food Network app. I literally post all my website, or all of my recipes there, and I get a lot of recipes from there, and they're delicious. With my favorite tea in the whole wide world, they're zero sugar. Gold Peak. These are literally so good. I mean, the bomb. All right, I've got about 15 minutes left. I'm gonna vacuum my floors. To show y'all real quick this corset that I bought. It was a total impulse buy. I'm not gonna even lie to you because I have no clue where the heck I'm gonna wear this thing. And I just tried it on and like, whew, I mean, it's pretty va-va-voom if you know what I'm saying. So let me show you this corset. Like, do you see this? I mean, it is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but like, where am I gonna wear this to? I'm like, I got it and I'm like, I just tried it on and I'm like, what the hell am I gonna do with this? Like, I mean, I guess I could like, maybe, I don't know. So my original thought was like, I would wear it to a concert, you know? But it reveals quite a bit like in your midsection, and that's just like a part of my body that I'm like not, you know, like I've had children, I've got a fupa going on, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Anyway, I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. But I have it and I guess I'm keeping it. I have no idea. Anyway, I just thought I would show it to you. All right, I have a short break. I'm gonna go ahead and get my water. I haven't drank any water today, which is not good considering it's like almost 2:30. So let me get some water and then we're gonna go sit out and enjoy the sun for a few minutes. let's go enjoy the sunshine for a little bit. So it is just a little after 4:30. I am gonna finish up a few things with work, figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner, and that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Bye.